So first, when we do inverse kinematics, we pull up the tools and then select inverse kinematics. So in this first pane, which is marker data, you'll click on the folder and select the TRC file that corresponds with your motion data. Go ahead and select that and open that up. And that's really all I have to do right there. So in the weights panel, you don't have to change anything here, but that just changes how each of the different markers are weighted, how much precedence is given to each one. So you can come back, make sure that the right file's in there, and just hit run, and then it should be going. A lot of times you can see it moving in the background. It looks like here it's just out of our view, so we'll just find it after it's done running. Okay, looks like it's done, so we'll go ahead and close this and drag around and find our model. Yep, there he is. So if you can click and drag up there at the top with that slider, and it will move the model according to the motion. You can also use the play button, forward button to make play according to that. Now if you want to save this file, you can go over on the left, right click the results file and select save as, then select where you want to save it and give it a name. So in this case, I'm just going to name it inverse kinematics, and we'll save it right there, so that way you can use it for some of the other analyses later on. Another thing that you can do, if you want to make sure that your forces are correct, you can add the ground reaction force file. So you, once again, we'll right click on results and select associate motion data. You then choose the corresponding GRF file and select it. Then as you scroll through your thing, the force should appear, and you should see the ground reaction force or whatever other motion, or yeah, whatever other force data.